Hi, everybody. This is a quick how-to video for requesting a change of dates for your facilitated sessions for the Oklahoma Science of Reading Academies. Regardless of which cohort you're in, this is how you're going to do it. Why would you need to do this? It's going to be if you have an emergency come up and you need to switch your training dates, or you already know you have a conflict with one of the dates and you know you need to change. So this is the process to do so. First thing you're going to do is go to the website, the sde.ok.gov/science of reading, all one word. And once you reach the website, you're going to scroll down about halfway and you'll see these 4 orange or red buttons. And you're going to select the cohort you are currently in. So for the sake of our example, we are going to select cohort 1. And you'll see that we do have a web page for each of the cohorts. Oklahoma Science of Reading Academies, cohort 1 at the top. You'll know you're on the right cohort when you select the button. You're going to scroll down here and select which unit you need to change. So we're going to select cohort 1, unit 5. That is coming up in September, and I'm going to say that's the date I need to change. It's going to jump you to a calendar of all the training sessions occurring. We're going to go over this a little bit more slowly, just so it is hopefully will eliminate some of the confusion we have with change requests. So first of all, I want you to notice that we do update these calendars as often as we can. When the dates get closer to the training dates, you'll see a lot more changes, but we do try to keep these as updated as possible to give you as many options as possible for available change requests. Secondly, I want to show you that when you do enroll in an online or a virtual training, which are listed below, you are automatically enrolled in part 2 of the same group. So you do not have to worry about going in and selecting a part 1 and a part 2, just register for part 1, and that'll automatically enroll you in part 2. So I want to say that's important for 2 reasons. First of all, know that both of your dates are going to be changed. And secondly, you'll want to make sure when you're looking for changes available. So we're looking at the hyperlink groups. Also notice when part 2 happens, because that's what group you're signed up for when you register for part 1. So let's actually look at the training calendar. So you'll see, Monday through Saturday, we don't have any trainings on Sunday. And so you'll see that across the top. And on the left-hand column, you'll see the the times of that training available for that training. So you will also see that we do have some in-person trainings for cohort 1, unit 5 training. In-person training is available. Just email me if you are interested in any of the in-person training. We do hope to have those links available as soon as possible. So you will see hyperlinked groups. That indicates that there are open seats. 1-1S, for example, hyperlinked, there's an open seat. We have another Saturday group, 1-7S, or we have a day group, 1-11D, 1-9E. And I'm not going to list all of them. You'll see that there are several hyperlink groups here, meaning there are several open seats that you can apply for or register for. So let's just say I am in group 1-1D. And what that means is I am in cohort 1, group 1, that's attending during the day. That's what those numbers mean. You'll see that cohort 1, group 1, attending during the day, 1-1D, does meet on September 19th, which is a Monday, from 8:30 to 11:30 a.m. That's for part 1. For part 2, 1-1D meets Wednesday, September 21st, again at 8:30 to 11:30 a.m. Now, if I'm part of this group, which for this example I am, I have a conflict with one of these dates or both of these dates, and I need to reschedule for a different group. How am I going to do that? So first of all, I am looking for any hyperlinked group that indicates an open seat. And you'll see there are several. I am looking for dates that I can attend that will work better with my schedule for unit 5. So just looking through here, I'm going to say I can't attend on September 19th and 21st, but I can attend, let's say, that next week on a Tuesday, Thursday group. And I do see that there is an opening in 114D, Part 1. And remember, that's going to register me for Part 2 automatically. So look, I have a Tuesday, September 27th, 12:30 to 3:30. So it's a Tuesday, Thursday afternoon group. And that works for my schedule. So that's what I want. Second part meets on the 29th, 12:30 to 3:30 as well. So I'm going to click on Part 1 of 114D. It's going to take me to a Eventbrite registration page. It's going to tell me the group is 114D, Cohort 1, Unit 5 training. Okay, that's exactly what I want to know. Part 1 is the 27th from 12:30 to 3:30. Excellent. Part 2 is going to be the 29th from 12:30 to 3:30. That is exactly what I expect because I saw that on the calendar. This is what I want. I'm going to register. Excellent. There will never be any cost for attending the Oklahoma Science of Reading Academy's training. So that is correct, it's 0. You'll see that it is the 114D. So that's Cohort 1, Group 14 during the day. Part 1, 27th from 12:30 to 3:30. Part 2, 29th, 12:30 to 3:30. You'll see this probably about 3 times because we want to make sure you know when you're attending. So this is the group I want. I'm going to register. I'm going to fill out the information here. So I'm going to put my name, Megan Ashbaugh. I do not want extra emails. Megan Ashbaugh down here. And it's got my email already in there, but you may have to go ahead and put your email in there as well. It's going to be required because that's where your ticket is going to be sent. Accept and register. And that is a change request. That is all I have to do. Now you'll notice you can view your ticket here. I always recommend this because it's going to take you to this page. It's going to make sure that your email is where you're going to receive that confirmation email. That's important. You can always click on this link, and that's going to give you the details for Part 1, Part 2. You can click back. This is also where you can cancel this. Say, I signed up for this group, and then I realized, oh, I can't go at this time either. It's important that you cancel this because you're going to get a lot of unnecessary emails if you don't. As a reminder, as for Zoom links, and it could, of course, add to confusion or just flood your email or your inbox, and we don't want that. So be sure if you do decide you can't attend the new group, go in and cancel your ticket and then sign up for a different day and time that you can attend. You can contact the organizer here as well. All right, again, that is how you do a change request. Your confirmation is emailed to you, and that is how you access your tickets. Otherwise, have a great time and good luck changing your dates.